Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. State Cabinet approves recruitment rules for Shillong Medical College faculty. Meghalaya government signs MOU with NSE for financial literacy program. Chief Minister launches community public-private partnership program. And NEA MD Homeopathy, students on hunger strike over unresolved grievances. The news in detail. The Meghalaya Cabinet yesterday approved several significant measures, including the Meghalaya Health Service Academic Rules 2024, paving the way for faculty recruitment for the long-awaited Shillong Medical College. Health Minister Dr. M. Ampareen Lingdaw announced that the college start-up cost would be around ₹16 crore. Additionally, the Cabinet approved the Meghalaya Dental Health Service rules aimed at strengthening dental care services in the state. The Cabinet has also approved the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024, designed to support the welfare of journalists in the region.
To start making sure that we operationalize the medical college in the targeted time frame, we had to come up with a service rule for the recruitment of faculty to run the medical college. The Meghalaya Dental Health Service Rule. We still do not have a dental health service rule in the Department of Health. This document now enables us to quickly speed up all pending activities with regards to promotions and with regards to recruitment to better the dental health service in the state of Meghalaya. The approval of the Meghalaya Journalist Welfare Scheme 2024. It shall now become operational, and we are happy, and we will keep the press fraternity informed from time to time about what would be the various components of this particular welfare scheme.
The Education Department Government of Meghalaya today has signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the National Stock Exchange NSE to provide financial literacy to college students. The MOU signed in the presence of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma, Chief Secretary D.P. Waalang and other officials. The MOU aimed to equip students with knowledge in banking, insurance and other financial areas. Chief Minister Sangma said that the financial literacy by NSE will help to make sound financial decisions, avoid risky consequences and help secure future by making informed and wise decisions. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the Community Public-Private Partnership CPPP program aimed at establishing large processing units in Meghalaya with projected investments of ₹106 crores. On the occasion, the Chief Minister handed over checks amounting to ₹16 crores for the CPPP program and ₹2.55 crores in working capital for various cooperatives. Additionally, the Chief Minister flagged off several agri-response vehicles under the Chief Minister's Elevate scheme to boost agricultural development in the state. 8 students from the first batch of MD Homeopathy at Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy NEA have been on an indefinite hunger strike since November 26th, protesting the administration's failure to address their grievances. The demands include the non-payment of stipends for the past year, non-affiliation of their 3-year PG course with NEHU, and the lack of a mandated guide as per National Commission for Homeopathy regulations. One of the agitating students said that the director in charge and deputy director are reportedly in Delhi despite the ongoing crisis at the institute.
The director is absent. He is in Delhi. The deputy director is in Delhi, and the in charge, who is supposed to be, he is also not here. So our college, this college is running in just vain, in the air. Nobody is in charge here. Nobody seems to responsible here for anything. The 8 PGTs that are striking, they are hungry for more than 48 hours. This is third day of their hunger strike, and nobody is listening to their demands. This should stop. The administration should listen to us.
The second Tura Migong International Literary Festival concluded today at DC Park, Tura, celebrating the Garo language, literature and culture. Organized by the Department of Garo Nehu Tura campus in collaboration with the Achik Literature Society and Don Bosco College, the two-day event attracted dignitaries, scholars and students from Northeast India and Bangladesh. The festival featured engaging sessions including conversations with prominent Garo authors, special talks on literature and environmental issues, and discussions on the role of folklore in education. The Public Accounts Committee (PAC) of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly conducted a site inspection of the modern and hygienic fish market in Saidan, Nongpo today. The inspection was aimed at assessing the facilities, operations and overall effectiveness in meeting public needs. Following the inspection, a review meeting was held, chaired by Charles Pingrove, MLA and PAC chairman, with heads of district offices at the Deputy Commissioner's office in Ribhoi district. The Hinyo-Trep Integrated Territorial Organization (HITO) protested the recent electricity tariff hike by distributing leaflets across Shillong, Jawai and Sora. The increase, which burdens domestic consumers while benefiting industrial users, has sparked widespread discontent. HITO has called on the government to invoke Section 65 of the Indian Electricity Act 2003 to provide subsidies for domestic consumers and suspend a new tariff order until transparency is ensured. The group also condemned retroactive billing from April 2024, calling it unfair amid economic challenges.
Wan biang mentar si banyesa mi kini kilim kedap si dipai ba nginyo man pensuku si dipai ba sarkar kami perlu pakaluti nak peduk bab kaai si barus pa ngiru mentar si nak liang jungi lawan si dukan si try dukan si dipai ba borong pai dulu bab pensuku yaki ba kani ka komle jo ka MSRC jo ka Meghalaya Electricity Regulatory Board kamu kalong mai kabamla ni cha bangiru ni ap ya kata kalai putrik November banginiyo kata ka juba maka sarkar bat naka liang di jongki nong penyat jongka boarding but electricity jongka MECL ba ya kani ka belai ka kila le menta di belapan kiu ki beduk ki long ying long sem ki domestic ki light industries kila penkiu menrai pat ki heavy industries pat kila pendia.
The Rotary Club of Orchid City today donated half-sleeve fluorescent coats to East Khas Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongtnyer as a token of appreciation for the traffic personnel's efforts in managing city traffic. Rotary Club President Anthony War expressed that the donation was a small gesture to recognize the traffic police contribution. During the event, the SP handed over the coats to traffic personnel in the presence of Rotary Club members. Miscreants broke into the Unitarian Church in Madan Laban early this morning, ransacking the church library. The theft occurred between 3:30 and 4 a.m. Chairman of the church, LMB Rani Express, said, "It is unfortunate that thieves are not sparing even places of worship." He also pointed out that poor street lighting contributes to such incidents. This robbery comes shortly after a similar break-in at the Grotto Chapel in Ladimkra, where thieves stole cash and electronic items.
Yes, really very unfortunate that nowadays, especially, all these things happens. People, they don't scare and they don't spare also to take a chance from any place. Just like from the church compound, from the church, inside the church also they can do it like this. So what can you say? Other places, so forget it. During night time especially, that the sky should be more this thing.
The VPP MLA from Maurinkneng, Havingstone, Kharpran, along with officials of the PWD roads and members of the village Dorbar, inspected 2 road projects today. The first road connects Umparnai to Jinta, while the second links Jinta to Happy Valley, up to the Umkhen Bridge. The inspection is part of preparations for the Ladumkra Presbytery Church gathering to be hosted by the Jinta Presbyterian Church next year. MLA Kharpran urged PWD officials to expedite the completion of the projects.
Ang for ni one ni ban pek ni ka site ni ba aglang ji na du for mi shwa na ni du du tu si bisa ben charge ni ka rudi injuri engineer jong rudi na post ke for ka bi jing tho pa la de ke for ban sna no ni ka checking ke ban snow in snow kita pak ni bani kan ni na kan ru system for the administration, but Meghalaya jong untuk sistem ban charge pendiru ila kular ban neno ini, aron kam nak kau ban tang no ini kam tang ban longga jing mentoi jika itu.
Both the House of Parliament have been adjourned for the day following opposition's ruckus over various issues including alleged bribery charges against a prominent business group. Ruckus continued in the Lok Sabha when the House met at 12 noon after the first adjournment. Another weather report. The minimum temperature was 8.6 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 19.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 55%, while in evening was 63%. The forecast: dry weather is likely at most places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. State Cabinet approves recruitment rules for Shillong Medical College faculty. Meghalaya government signs MOU with NSE for financial literacy program. Chief Minister launches community public-private partnership program. And NEA MD homeopathy students on hunger strike over unresolved grievances. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching. Good night.